This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, close it.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. And also one more thing.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Login.salesforce.com, you can log in. Okay. What is this view? Tell me, guys, what is this view?
Lightning
Lightning view.
Exactly. Nice. Nice. Okay. Next. So where are we?
Data
Can
types.
anyone say where are
Data
we?
types.
Topic?
Data types, sir.
So we are fields. Okay, how many fields we have created?
6
Let's
fields,
just
I
say
guess, sir.
okay. So different data types we have created, only few data types left. Okay, and so tell me the navigation to go to student object.
Click on
I am
student.
here. See the application, see the tabs. Tell me
Okay,
the
click on
navigation.
setup.
Okay, click on. Okay.
Click on object.
Quick find.
I mean, find the
Object.
find object.
Quick
Search
find.
for object.
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 Students.
Select student object.
This is the traditional navigation. Okay. So is there any shortcut?
Yes.
Click on the students tab.
Sir, student tab ni click
To
చేస్తే
view object.
Exactly.
And then we can go.
Click on.
We can find the quick access menu.
View
View object. View object.
Right answer. Okay. So very nice. Next. So which data types are left? Let's go and create the remaining data types. So checkbox currency, date, email, completed, geolocation at the end, percent completed, pick list, multi completed. What is the difference between the pick list and multi-select pick list?
In that pick list,
multiple list we can
select
create
multiple
lines.
values.
We can select it to
More lines.
Sorry.
at a time.
You can select more than one.
Two different
Exactly.
values.
Okay. You can select more than one value in multi-select pick list. Multi meaning what? More than one is nothing but a
More
multi.
than one. Yeah.
Exactly. Select multiple values from a pick list. It's called multi-select pick list data type. And in a pick list, you can select only
one.
Exactly. Right answer. Next. So text area. What is the difference?
In text area, we can enter lines.
Yes, you can see
Line by
more
line
than
వస్తుంది.
One line for multiple data for text area.
exactly one line. And but the length is same, right? 255 characters.
255.
Yeah, 255.
So now let's go to text area long, text image, URL, and geolocation. So let's mute. Recap is done, right? Let's mute yourself. So text area long, select it. And generally long means, you know, right? Remember long meaning what? Oh, so much of text you can write it. Okay. Now maximum, how many characters I can write? 1,31,000 characters. Okay. 1,31,000 characters, like this one, A, B, C, 3 characters. So like that, maximum 1,31 characters. So you can enter for this field in a record. Okay, in a record on this field, so you can enter maximum 1,31,072 characters. Okay, That is the maximum one. So now length 32,768. What is this meaning? So out of maximum, so I'm just giving 32,000. That is enough. In my requirement, that is enough. Suppose in my requirement 500 is enough. You can add 500. And okay, maximum 500 only you can add. But Salesforce limit is this one, and this is what our custom limit. Okay, but maximum you can use 1,31,072. This is the maximum. If you don't want this maximum, we don't need to go this one. If you okay, go like this 500. That is enough. Okay, we are setting the limits. Now field level. So educational details I want to give. Educational details. Okay, let's give educational details, student educational details, and visible lines. I'm just want to give 5 like that. Okay, not and help text, you know. Okay, so provide all okay educational details. Okay, like SSC. Okay, 11th board, you mean intermediate. Okay, SSC intermediate, and next so degree or BTech, or etc. like that, or MSc MCom like that, etc. Okay, so this is we are providing. Where it will be displayed, if I add here, where it will be displayed on the field, you are in mute. Unmute and let me know.
సార్ అడ్రస్ పక్కన ఒక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఉంది కదా.
క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్
Exactly.
దగ్గర సార్.
So like this. Okay, nice. And along with this one, we have discussed some other things, right? Required. Okay, if I make any field as a required, so on the record, how it will be displayed?
విత్ రెడ్ మార్క్.
Mandatory
With
mark.
Without entering the data, we cannot
exactly
go further.
You can't save the
if I don't enter anything value right in that field, it will throw error. If I don't enter and if I try to save it, it will throw error. Okay, this is a red one. That means this is required by default. And if I try to save it, I will get error. You must enter a value. Okay, click on. And what is unique? We have used unique for one field. What is that field?
Mail, sir.
values won't get duplicated. For example,
We are created for the mails.
For student number, we have used unique number.
and it will be applicable for only that particular object if we click that unique.
Exactly.
Yes.
You can use unique number for student number also as per business.
Student number.
And one more thing I would like to say, our project, I told right, a very simple project and easy to understand. Institute project. Okay, so institute project, like generally what is their duty, guys? Institute duty, institute can, I mean, so they can offer trainings for students. They will charge money from students and they can conduct, I mean, they can offer trainings. That is a business, right? Okay, so in institute, how many kind of business people are there? Marketing business is there. Marketing people definitely will be there. Why? Because marketing people, they can advertise about their institutes, right? Like social medias, Facebook, like that, paying the money. And flexi kind of thing, if you go to Hyderabad, Amirpeta, right? Wherever you go, flexi will be follow. Flexi will follow you like that, right? Like Hutch Dog. These are called advertisements. Hello, who will do? Marketing people will do. If it is a big institute, marketing people will do. If it is a small institute, so sales receptionists can do marketing and also these both things, receptionists. So receptionists generally we can call it as a marketing people or a sales people. So generally what is their duty? They can so take amount from your end, and so they will help you in conducting the sessions from so trainers, right? That's what the receptionist duty. So here receptionists can act as a sales team. Okay, business user, sales team, or a marketing team also. Nice. Now your client is who? Your client is take any one institute name, guys. So for previous batch, I have taken, so Vivekananda Institute is my client. Or if you want to take an Brahmam Institute, you can take it, no problem. Just name old class institute like that. Let's take any one name. That is called client name. Your client. You are going to work in a project, right? So tell me any one name, guys. Oxford Old Class Institute. Can we do now? Okay. So now from Oxford, sales team is there, service team is there. It's a big institute. Marketing team is there. So, customer support team. Okay. So here, sales team generally receptionist, I can say it as. Okay, how they will use our Salesforce application. Generally, you are developers, think in that way. In different companies you are working, or in one company you are working, you are all 35 members are developers. Okay, you have implemented project and hand over to Oxford Old Class Institute, and from Oxford, as of now, sales people's only using our application, sales team. Okay, how they are using all those kind of things we will see. And this is the project, guys. So project name, and this is a brief description about our project. Okay, and this institute is located in different countries like India. Always I used to give, so USA, 3 countries at least, that is enough, guys. Okay, and if you want to change these countries, you can change, no problem. So generally this is what I have to, I mean, I'm just giving. If you want to change the countries, you can change while you are working. Nice. This business. Okay, and in each country these teams definitely will be there. Okay, so those team, sales team, how our Salesforce application is going to use, right? That's what we are going to see. Okay, this is a high level, and that is enough right now. That's why, so I have taken your details, student details, what they can do, receptionist or sales team, so they can enter all your details here, student details. Okay, and whether he paid or not, all those details they can enter into Salesforce. That's why I have taken your details. Clear? Okay. Okay, now you should be thorough with your project right now. Very simple project, but at the end I will give a different project, guys. Okay, not this project. So you get clear picture about the 2 projects, not 1 project at the end once it is completed. So totally 3. One is small one, it's okay, not a problem. Let's see. That is a complex one, guys. So at the end of the training, right, I'm going to give, right, that is a complex one, very, and in between I will give so many complex real-time requirements, which, so minimum 5 years to 7 years, 10 years, guys, how they are working, those kind of assignments, sometimes you will get it, no problem. Okay, so where are we now? We are creating data type. What data type? Next, finally save it. Come to this one now. Educational details, right? Okay, save it, skip everything. Okay, educational details, where is this one? Nice. Long text area, so maximum characters 500 length, that's it, right? Let's go and update Revati and Sai details, educational details. In help text, what I have given, open this one. Okay, in help text, what I have given, provide all educational details for the student. So let's see here. Please enter your current address details. Okay, please enter your current details. It is there, right? Okay, so whatever you have typed. Oh, 1 second, sorry, it is address. Where is the educational? Here. Provide all educational details for the student like SSC. So now sales team is there, right? A receptionist from, so Oxford Institute, they are taking your details and they are entering. So if they got any confusion about this one, they can go here and they can check here. Okay, and based on that one they can fill all the details. Now edit this one, and you can see what is this one, educational details. And now visible lines, how many? 5 lines. It looks like, can you say what type it looks like? We have already created in our
Text
SME
area.
class.
Text area,
Text
sir.
area.
Exactly. Text area. So what is the difference between a text area to text area long?
In text area long, we can enter more characters.
Number
Like
of characters.
Length. So in the see. So here itself the meaning is there. Both text area, but here it is long text area. So meaning is what? Length, more length you can enter like that. Maximum how much? 1,31,000 characters you can enter, but I have given only 500 here. As per my project requirement, this is enough. And you can enter all the details like, and how many visible lines I told here, guys? Refresh. 5 lines, right? You can see here.
5 visible lines.
SSC completed SSC in Vision College, Vision School. Till na ఈ చైతన్య నారాయణ కాలేజెస్ ఉన్నాయా ఇంకా ఎస్ఎస్సికి? So got 85% marks. Next. Completed in dummy names. So now visible lines. How many visible lines, guys? 5 I told, right? 1, 2, 3. In between one more completed 4. Gap also, guys. 5. Okay. At a time 5 only you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's what the visible lines. Like that you can add all. So receptionist can enter all these details. So the visible lines here, while editing, this will apply. Okay. Once you saved, right? So you can see all data. Okay, the visible lines only when you are editing that will apply, and once you saved, the visible lines will not apply. Okay, nice. Next. Now I need to go to student object detail page and fields section. Tell me, navigation, directly fields section on the student object detail page.
quick access, man.
You
Now
can
click
on student tab and go to quick
access.
access.
View
Fields.
View fields.
I
New.
want. Which one I can select? Where is new here?
View fields, guys.
View fields.
View fields.
Required object means view object.
It will directly take to fields column.
Nice. Okay. Directly you went to section and custom field section and click on new button. And now text area. Okay. Select now. Click on next button. And here I want to give full address details like that. Okay. Again, how many characters? 1,31,000 characters. So we have seen in text area long also same characters. Okay. And now we are going to see what is the difference between text area rich and text area so long. Okay. How the rich people looks like? Costly dresses they will wear, right? They wear costly dresses, right? Rich people, sir. Yeah, see it here. However, lightning looks like it's look like a rich look, right?
Rich look.
Exactly. So let me show you where is rich text area and 32,768 and full address details. Open it and now refresh it. Guys, mute yourself. Some disturbance is there from the back end. Okay, now you can see full address details, right? Edit. It is loading, guys. Wait. Now, how it looks like? It is called rich. That means colors, design, everything you can add, guys. Address details. Okay. So USA, right? In USA and location.
Sir, in one way we can say that the look and feel will be different, right?
1 second. Country, state, city. Okay. Location, pin code. Okay. How it looks like? It looks like Word document or not? Tell me. In the Word document, it is like this only, right? Word document.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the use of this one? You can make it as a bold. Am I right? Exactly. Like that
Whatever
you can
font
do.
my name will do.
Underlines also you can make it like that. Bold and
We can
underline.
insert images also.
You can insert images also from this. No problem. I think you are a previous batch students. Okay.
And links.
Country, state, city, location. And you can USA country and state, California. California state, right?
Yeah.
Everything. California. City, San Francisco, our SalesForce location. Location near SFDC IT hub building. Backside. Pin code. How it looks like pin code? Might be, I'm not sure. Just give the immediate.
Only
Okay.
4 numbers.
Don't want, you can do like this, no problem. No underscore, nothing. Okay, generally like this you can give, and alignments also left side, right side, like that. Once you select right, left side, so like right side. So if you want to add, you can add like this also, no problem. That is up to your wish. And bullets, if you want to add, you can add bullets also. Select add bullets also, like that. Okay, so generally you can apply your styles. Generally rich look means what? So normal look you can apply. This is called normal look, text look. And if you apply some designs, some styles, that is called rich look. Okay, next. So here image, right? If you click on this one, so you can image it from your local system. From your system you can image it. Okay, up to 1 MB you can upload it. So PNG files, GIF and JPEG images only you can insert, and apart from this you can't insert some other things. Okay, background వస్తుందంటే నీ దగ్గరే వస్తుంది ప్రస్తుతానికి, మనకి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నాయిస్ ఏం లేసేవా. సో మైట్ బి ఇష్యూ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ఎండ్. మైట్ ఇక్కడ మేబీ అవుట్ సైడ్ మై హౌస్ మేబీ రావచ్చు. ఓకే, అది ఇంకా మనం ఏం చేయలేం కదా. నేను చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి నేను సైలెంట్ గా ఉండలేను కదా. ఇట్స్ ఓకే, నేను మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టలేను కదా.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Lakshmi Padi. I'm new joined to this batch, sir. Sir, actually, I have a one doubt, sir, regarding this training. I will ask, sir.
Can you ask at the end of this training? We are in mid of some topic, right? Okay.
Sure. Okay, fine, sir. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, so once you click on, so it will show your location from your local system and you can upload image. So let me do one thing.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now just click on this one and from your local system, so you go there and get any image. So what is this file type? JPG file. So Salesforce will support JPG file. I'm just inserting one dummy image, guys. Okay. So JPG file and PNG file, GIF files it will support. Name is what? Avatar. Okay. And insert it. So this is the image, guys. Okay. 1 second, guys.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Now like that image you can so get it from your local system also. Okay. So this is enough. Okay. This is called so rich look like image. So that student image and their details, all these kind of things we can store. Okay. And save it finally. Okay. Student image like that you can go and so add for Saya. So not you. So think now receptionist is doing, sales rep is doing. She is a sales rep or she is a receptionist. Sales team is entering their details like, okay. You can edit like this and update their details like Sai address, so location, okay, country, India, okay, city, state, the pin code, all those data you can so save it. That's it. Okay, it's you can see here. That's it. So visible lines, how many? 25 lines. So that means when you edit it, 25 lines will be displayed when you edit it. Okay. So here 25 lines will be displayed, and more than that if you want you can add, or less than that if you want you can add, no problem, you can add. This is called so rich look. That is also done. Next. Okay, let's go here. Go to view fields, and any other data types are left. Click on new button.
Geolocations.
Text area, encrypt and URL 2 are there. Next button. Encryption. So generally, see here, what is encryption? Encryption and decryption, generally coding and decoding kind of things, right? It's like secret
masking
one.
and unmasking.
Take debit cards, credit cards. Take debit cards and credit cards. Suppose some people will send an email from bank, and their emails, bank statements, emails, and you will get it right in that emails. So they will give star or into marks, right? They will give like so like this, and your card end with like this. Okay. So suppose if it is a credit card, your credit card statement is generated. So your credit card with end of this number it is generated like that. Email you will get it right. Generally, okay. Here we are not displaying so our credit card details, right? In general, I'm just asking about the common things, guys. Okay. Here, what is this called? They are hiding your original account number. They are hiding their original account number. In the back end, the original account number is there, but they are hiding. Actually, the stars are nothing but encryption. The original is behind the scenes, but okay, you can't see with your eyes. As per security purpose, suppose they want to store bank account of the students bank account details they want to store. Okay, now that bank account full account number, right, I don't want to display. As per the business requirement, we don't want to display the student's bank account full number. We want to display only last 4 numbers like that. I want to store each student bank account details. So that is the requirement, guys. Now how to store? So bank account number. Okay, length you can give like 10, 20, maximum how many? 14, right? In common, how much of, I mean, what is the length of your credit card number or a debit card number. Generally, what is the length, guys? 14 or 16, around like that only, right?
16.
14 digits, sir.
14 or 16?
16
16
digits.
14 digits.
14 only in India.
So 4 into
Okay,
4.
nice. Next, yeah, 4 into 4, 16 in that case. Okay, no problem. Nice. Mask type. What is a mask type? Mask all characters like that, right? Let's see. Mask character with star or with int. How you are masking? So the value. See here. With this, I want to mask. Now mask all characters. Let's see here. So once you enter the data here, see here. Bank. What is the field? So bank account number is the field. It looks like this one, and value you can enter. Once you enter the value, so suppose I entered something like this, 16 digits. While you're entering, it will be like this. Once you enter, so it will be like this. Once you save it, right? After save, so this will be converted as this one. This is called masking, encryption. So that means you are not showing your account number to any sales rep. Okay, any sales reps, you are not showing this your account number. That is called masking. Suppose if I mask with star symbol, okay, once you save the data, the record is saved, the output will be like this. Okay, next, mask last 4 characters clear. Generally it is like this, right? Your credit card, but dash 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 will be there. If you last 4 characters will be clear, that means display it, display last 4 characters. So once you save the data, it will be like this. What is the last 4? Suppose if it is the last 4, and then it will be displayed like that. Next, and credit card number. Generally, this is what credit card number. If you want to give like this output, you can use this one. I want to go with credit card number with int. You can see it. Okay. Let's next. However, once you see the output, you can easily understand. Next, finally save it. Okay, you have created a text encryption 16 bank number. Okay, nice. Let's refresh, and bank account number, right? So edit it or inline edit it, however you want, you can do it. Go down and enter details. How many totally? 4, 4, 8, 12. Okay, so see here, I have entered, right? This is the last 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Save it. Sales rep is saving your data. Now how it looks like, last 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. It will display them like this, even if they edit it, right? So you can see they can't see the data, but where the data is available in the database, the original data is available. Okay, in the database the original data is available, but with your eyes, if you want, you cannot see like this. With the help of coding, you can get the original data. Okay, and here on screen you cannot view. That means sales reps cannot misuse these account numbers. Okay, sales reps cannot misuse this one. From this Oxford Old Class Institute, they cannot misuse the students' account number. We are securing their account numbers like this. For Revati also cannot like. Okay. Okay. Last 4 you are saying. Suppose go to bank, and if I mask differently, what will happen? Let's see the output. Once, so let's change the masks and change card, credit card, national insurance number. It will be like this. Okay, so I change the mask type, national insurance example. Save it. Okay, I have saved, and just go here, refresh, and it will be like this. You can see here. Okay, bank account number will be like this output, and they can't see even single number also. Like that, you can change the mask type and okay, mask characters and apply it and check it. Clear? And let's use like a credit card number, right? You can use like that. So social security number, it will be like this. So generally go with credit card number, save it. Next. So you are not seeing this as of now, right? Just refresh and it looks like credit card number and the data will display here. From the database retrieves and it displays here. That's it. This is called encryption. Any questions here till here? Text area rich, text area long, encryption we have seen. No questions? Nice. Go to fields, object detail page, create a new field. Anything is left, URL, click save. Generally when we go with URL, suppose in this batch or any batch, so some institute referred their batch, simply think in that way. Some institutes referred, so the students, 10 students suppose, so and so ABC consultancy is there, okay, and from ABC consultancy 10 members are there and they joined in this batch, okay. Now I want to store that consultancy URL address also, okay. I want to store that consultancy URL address also. How to store? That means if I store like that, so the student belongs to that consultancy, and also I can create one more field. If you want, we can create one more field like referral company. Okay, here if I create a referral company and I can give so consultancy name also. That means this Revati student is referred by some consultancy, and that consultancy URL is their website like that. Clear, guys? What I'm trying to say? Are we good?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Company URL I can say. Company website. Okay. Click on next button. Finally save it. Come down. Okay. Where is the data type just now created URL? URL 255 characters. Okay. Company website. Refresh. Okay. So where is URL? Website here, right? You can give like some VLR training. VLR training. Okay. Suppose this institute referred Revati. Think in that way. Save it. I'm just giving guys example. Okay. Sometimes, so even service-based companies, software companies also, so referred students, guys. Okay. IT team, they refer students also for the batches. Like that, we can store their details. And we need to create one more field. What is that field? A referral company name. Okay. And referral company name we want to store here. If the student is referred, right? So I want to store referred company name. Okay. Now tell me what data type field I want to create to store like that. It is a real-time requirement. Referred, so company name. Which data type I can select? Tell me.
Text, sir.
Text. We
Text
can
type.
Text, sir.
Text area.
Text area, why we go with the company name might be, so does any company name, so characters length, it should overcome more than 255 characters, no, right?
No.
No, sir. Okay, text.
Text, sir.
Okay, and 1 second. So any company name should not be more than one line, right? Generally, in a single
Yes.
line, the company will be written, right? So we don't need to
Sir.
go to text in that situation. Okay, you need to think all possible things. Let's go view fields, create a new field. Text is enough, guys.
Okay.
Company name means small only. Within one line we can finish it. Referred company, right? Referred company. Okay, referral company. And the length 250 characters. Click on next button. Save it. Okay, you have created one more text editor. So referred company. Next, let's refresh. And you go here, referred company. So we all are training referred. And their website, company website, and like that's it. Okay. So like that we can store. Sales reps or researchers can see, oh, this student is referred by, oh, this company, so and so company, like that. Okay, nice. Next one, last one. Let's create. Only 2 are left. Okay, so this completed, time is not needed, and anything is left here. Auto number.
Geolocation, auto number,
Geolocation.
formula.
Geolocation at last we will see. Now go to auto number. Okay, let's go and create auto number. Click on next button. Okay, I can say as of now we have created student number, right? Let's go student roll number. I can create one more field. Actually, in real time we should not create like the duplicate kind of things, but it is a training, right? I can create it so that you can understand. So I can say it as a roll number, right? Student's roll number. Okay, now, so what is this display format? What is the display format here? Can you see? Okay, suppose, so let's see here example. If you say they are giving example, what is this one? So the output will be like, the output will be for this one. Let me explain here, guys. Okay, and if I give starting number is 1, starting number is 1, what will happen? A dash 1. Okay, A dash 0 0 0. How many zeros, guys? 4 zeros. Last 0 1. It will be like this. For the first record, it will be like this, and for the second record, 0 0 0 2. And if you create a third record, so it will be dash 0 0 0 3. So keep on, it will increase, guys, for each record. If the format is like this, and it will be like this. Suppose if I change the format, it is what VLR training. I want to give like this VLR, okay, and like this. So no dash, nothing, and 3 zeros I want to give for each batch. So we cannot cross more than 100, right? Let's see here. So on the record, this is a format, and starting number. Suppose starting number is 2 I have given. Think in that way. Suppose starting number is 2 I have given. So on the record, that means here on the record, the output will be like this, guys. VLR 0 0
002.
Tell me, what is the starting number?
002. 002.
002. And VLR next record, second record 0 0
003.
003.
So VLR third record 0
4.
It will increase like that. And here what I have given? Gap. So here it will take gap. Suppose here I have given dash like that. Here also it will take dash like that.
Yes.
Okay. So from this one, what you understand? The
It will
brackets,
add from right to left.
the brackets are optional. What you understand from this one? Only the flower brackets are optional, except everything will be printed here. Only this is not printing. Did you observe? Only this is not printing from this one, but everything is printing as it is. Only flower brackets is not printing. So remember that one. Flower brackets will not print, and whatever format you have given, that will take.
Okay, sir.
Okay. VLR, Mohan training or VLR. So VLR, and this is the format. How many zeros? No need, because for one batch more than 100 not. Okay, 3 zeros or 2 zeros, no problem. Suppose it is 2 zeros I have given. Starting number 1 I have given. Now can anyone tell on the record how it will be? Here 2
01.
and
VLR
first record
01. 01.
0 1.
02.
Okay,
03.
like that. Suppose 99 100 students joined. 99 students, how it will be? 99.
99.
And now next, how it will be? 100th student also joined. Tell me now. What will happen? You
Shows
know?
error.
It will be like that.
100.
It will increase.
Okay.
Okay. Here you have one, right? Twos are completed. It goes to 3. Clear?
సార్
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు అది బ్రాకెట్స్ అది ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ గా అట్లా సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ డిఫైన్ చేసిందండి లేకపోతే అది తీసేసినా ఏం కాదా?
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ప్రీ డిఫైన్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తున్నావు కదా, అది తీసుకుంటుంది ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే ఓకే
ప్రీ డిఫైన్. మీరు సింటాక్స్ లో మీరు అట్లా పెట్టాలన్నమాట.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, జస్ట్ దీనికోసం ఆటోమేటిక్ అవుట్పుట్ లో ఉండదు బ్రాకెట్స్ అండి. ఇది ఒక్కటే ఉండదు, మొత్తం ఉంటుంది. మళ్ళీ యాస్టీస్ ఏదైతే ఇచ్చారో అన్నీ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఒక్క బ్రాకెట్స్ ఎగిరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, like that. Suppose
okay sir,
PLR training 999 students joined. Next tell me at least. Use your common sense. I told here, right?
1000.
1000. It will go to
4 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits. Okay, it started with 2 digits and it's keep on increasing. It will be like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Let's see. Next button.
Next. Okay.
Finish. Where is roll number, auto number? Okay, that's it. Let's go. Generally it should ask the question, guys. 1 second. While saving, it is not asking. It's okay. Refresh it. Okay, where is your field? Roll number. Okay, so edit this one. And did you see here roll number? 1 second. What is there? Nothing will be there. Okay, these are all existing records. Okay, these are all. So actually what will happen while creating, I don't know, some issue is there with this configuration. When you are creating, it will ask one option, guys. So the option is what? Can we apply this auto number for existing records or not? That option will be there, guys. What is that one? Can we apply auto number data, okay, for existing records? If you say true, that means if the checkbox, if you check it right, checkbox only, then so for existing records, right? So Revati and Sai, for both records, auto number is added, roll number. Okay, it is added. So that option is not displayed, so I have not checked. Might be I have missed, right? Now however it is not displaying. Okay, no problem. Generally that will happen. While you are creating, you can check, guys, no problem. Now I am creating, so you can check here. Student name, one more name. Tell me, anyone name, one person name.
Chandra.
Student name, Chandra. And any required fields are there? Not there, right? No problem. Now you can see here, roll number is what? 01. VLR 01. What is VLR? It starts with 1, right? That's why 01. Okay. Okay. Suppose next record I want to create it. Okay. And click on this one. Go here. One more person name. Tell me.
Pujita. Pujita.
Pujita. Okay. Save it. VLR 2. It is taking. So from now onwards, after you have created this field, right? that one, what are records you are creating for those records. So it is displayed. Okay. And one more thing you need to observe. So when you keep your mouse, did you observe pencil mark here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Line edit.
Here what you observe?
It's lock.
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 Lock symbol.
User can't edit that.
So we can't
Okay,
change
lock.
those values.
So generally, what is the lock meaning? If you lock your door, right, no one can open it.
Open
Right?
it. Yes, sir.
You already locked it. Okay, door. You can, no one can open that lock. Okay, door, locked door. It is that meaning. It is locked by Salesforce, not by us. So Salesforce only will unlock it, and we cannot unlock it. That is the meaning. So this is called read-only fields generally. So this data type is the right. That is a read-only data type and read-only fields. That means you can only read these fields and you can't modify. Read means what? You can see it, and so read means VLR02. It is called reading generally, right? Only for reading purpose you can do it, or for visible purpose you can do, but you can't modify. You can't edit it. Suppose if I click on edit button, what will happen to this field? You cannot see this field. So now you can see. While creating you cannot see. Sorry, 1 second, let me show you. New field. So here you can see. So can you see auto number?
No.
No, sir.
Automatically that is added by Salesforce. Okay, so that is the lock. All locked fields you can't update the data. You can't modify the data for all the locked fields, not only this one. Okay, generally you can remember it. And pencil is there for them. You can add the data. Next, last one, right? Last one is geolocation, right? So for geolocation, any websites geolocation from location get geolocation from address. Any websites we can use, guys, get GPS coordinates. Different websites are the right geolocation to get. Go with this one option, no problem. Okay, see here. Generally, so either this one or this one, anyone you can use it. Now suppose I'm in Hyderabad, think in that way. I want to get Hyderabad latitude and longitude. So here in address you can search for Hyderabad and find it. Okay, and you are in where? Hyderabad, one location. Where is this location? So somewhere else, right? So what are these? This and this. What are these?
Coordinates.
Coordinates. So with earth coordinates, north pole, so south pole, so like these poles are there, right? So with respect to earth poles, so they have given coordinates with respect to, so earth poles they are giving coordinates. Okay, 17 point within degrees and 78 with the degrees. So in army they used to use coordinates. Okay, so which position they are? If you watch Hollywood, which position they are? Just so 78 degrees, hit it like that. Rackets also, if they are launching rackets also, they can use coordinates like that. If you want to get exact location, you should give coordinates, latitude and longitude. So you can see here, latitude and longitude. If you give both latitude and longitude, automatically we will get exact location. Okay, suppose I am here. Okay, and I want to give only this location, search it. Now it will take you to exactly a different location. You can see again it is moved, because what are the coordinates you have given? Latitude and longitude, 17 and 78. That location is what?
Hyderabad.
So Chadargat. This road, Hyderabad, Chadargat, a bit to Chadargat road. Okay, suppose So what are this? 17.385, right? Suppose Malakpeta, click on this Malakpeta, and now you can observe it is changed 373, 17.373. Previously 17 point something else and 78 point something else. Now it is different one, Malakpeta. So now Begum Bazar, click it. These coordinates are changing. Can you observe last 4 or something they are changing?
Yes.
Okay. So these are with the help of these coordinates. Even Google company also they are doing. So this one, listen guys. So like what are the apps, guys? Car pickup, picking the cars, right? Uber and some other things are there, right? Other one, Ola. They are using so these latitude and longitude only. That application they have implemented, right? Ola. So with Google they will integrate, and Google how they will implement it with the satellites, right? With the help of latitude and longitude they are giving this one, and now it is changed different one like that. Okay. So still it is Hyderabad loading. Okay, suppose take Bangalore and coordinates are changed 12 point something 77. So take indoor, it is changed, longitude is changed. Okay, take Kolkata, both are changed. So like, okay, let's Vishakhapatnam take it 17 point. So with the help of latitude and longitude we get this one. That's it, location, right? Nice. So now click on new button and go to geolocation and click on next button. Nice. Now what is this one? Geolocation, give it any name. Student address location. Address location. You want to go with the degrees and decimals. So generally we are following degrees, right? Let's follow this one, degrees or decimals. Degrees, minutes, seconds. These are decimals, right? Not degrees, right?
And degrees and ఇవ్వచ్చండి degrees sir they are decimal only, but we have to read as a degrees in the coordinates, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you can select by default this one. Next, decimal places. How many places you want? You can see after dot symbol. How many? 6. I want to give. Okay. Let's give 6 length. Address location, right? Click on next button. Nothing is there. So creating a field is very easy, guys. That's it. Next, finally save it. Now while entering the data you need to concentrate on this one. That's it. What location you need to give like that. So what is this one? Geolocation. So which field? Address location is the field, right? So copy the label name and go here and open any one record, come down, and with geolocation how many are created? Only one, right? But when you edit it, you can see here how many are displaying here. You have created one field, but how many are displaying?
Latitude field and longitude field.
2 are displaying, right? Here how many are displaying? For latitude 1 and for longitude 1. Okay, 2 are here. Suppose, okay, and Revati is locating, I mean so Revati currently locating in Vishakhapatnam. So now I can give this latitude and longitude. This is what latitude and this is the longitude for her location. Okay, that's it, guys. And we will use in coding to display like this kind of map. Google integration we can do display with the help of this one. See here, it is displaying like that. Okay, this is they are the coordinates. With the help of coordinates, and you can get the distance also. In formulas I have given one example, like the distance between 2 locations. Okay, from institute to her location. So if you want to get the distance, automatically in formulas I have given examples and given the document also, assignments document there. You can so use, okay, these geolocations to calculate the distance between 2 locations, like how many kilometers, like that. Okay,
sir, వేరే కంట్రీలో ఉన్నా ఓకేనా? వేరే కంట్రీ ఇప్పుడు వేరే కంట్రీలో
కంట్రీతో సంబంధం లేదు మీకు. చూడు, ఇది వేరే కంట్రీ. జియో లొకేషన్ ఎంత?
సార్
-2 లాటిట్యూడ్. ఇదే కంట్రీ.
ఓకే సార్.
ఏ కంట్రీ ఇది? కెనియా.
ఆఫ్రికా.
Suppose if you are in Kenya, Africa. So this is your location, latitude and longitude.
Yes sir. Okay.
Okay. You need to give that latitude and longitude. That's it.
Okay.
In admin, where we can use this one? In admin, generally in formulas, that is separate topic. There we can use these geolocations to calculate a distance between two locations generally. And in development, so you can use this one location to display this kind of map. Okay, to display this kind of map you can use this one integration. So you can do integrate with Google APIs and send this geolocation latitude and longitude as a request to them and get the response image picture like that. Okay, so that's all about all data types. Any questions till here? Tell me. So charging కూడా అయిపోవచ్చింది. Are we good?
హలో.
Yeah.
అది ఇప్పుడు ఆటో నెంబర్ అది ఆ డేటా టైప్. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం రికార్డ్ జనరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు అది ఆ నెంబర్ డిస్ప్లే, ఐ మీన్ లైక్ అది ఆ ఫీల్డ్ డిస్ప్లే అవ్వట్లేదు. అది కరెక్టే కదండి? అది ఐ మీన్ ఓన్లీ వన్స్ రికార్డ్ క్రియేట్ అయిన తర్వాతే అది ఎనేబుల్ అవుతుంది, ఫీల్డ్ అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది.
Yeah, create అయిన తర్వాత exactly. While creating you cannot. After creation is done, right, Salesforce will add that auto number.
ఓకే. సో వన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ న్యూ కొట్టిన వెంటనే ఆ ఫీల్డ్ డిస్ప్లే అవ్వలేదు ఇప్పుడు నాకు. సో ఐ మీన్ లైక్ వన్స్ క్రియేట్ అయిన తర్వాత అది డిస్ప్లే అయింది, ఐ మీన్ నంబర్ జనరేట్ అయ్యి.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అది నేను చూపించాను, నువ్వు ఒకసారి గో బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళాను దాంట్లో
చూసానండి. షూర్ అండి.
సార్ ఒకవేళ ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఉంటే ఆ రికార్డ్స్ ఏమవుతాయి సార్? అంటే ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ రికార్డ్స్ తర్వాత మనం ఆటో నెంబర్ జనరేట్ చేసాం అండ్ మీరు చెప్పినట్టు అది
నేను ఇందాక పాయింట్ చెప్పా, వైల్ క్రియేటింగ్ ఆటో నెంబర్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, వైల్ క్రియేటింగ్ ఆటో నెంబర్ ఫీల్డ్ what will happen? Definitely it should ask one question. So can we apply for existing records? ఇందాక ఇదే కదా నోట్ చేసింది.
yes
అది చూపించాల జనరల్ గా, ఇంతకుముందు చూపించింది, ఎందుకో ఈ ఆర్గ్లో చూపించాల. ఇప్పుడు ఇలా చూపించలేదు అనుకో, నేనేం చేయాలి? ఎవరి ఇచ్చేది? కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఇష్యూ. అంటే ఎవరిని కాంటాక్ట్ చేయాలి నేను?
Salesforce
కస్టమర్ సపోర్ట్ నేను కాంటాక్ట్ చేయాలి. హే, ఇన్ మై ఆర్గ్, సో ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ దిస్ ఇష్యూ, కెన్ యూ రిజాల్వ్ ఇట్. అప్పుడు సేల్స్ఫోర్స్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి నీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. అంటే ఇక్కడ నీ దగ్గరికి రారు, త్రూ ఆన్లైన్ నీ ఆర్గ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడుగుతారు, నీ ఆర్గ్ ఐడి నీకు. సో రెండు తీసుకొని నీకు సో త్రూ వాళ్ళు అక్కడి నుంచే సో వాళ్ళు చూసి చెక్ చేసుకొని నీకు సొల్యూషన్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు, నీకు రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తారు. అది జనరల్ గా జరిగేది.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. Are we good with all data types?
Yes sir.
Nice. Next. So వేరే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో ఈ 3 days తీసుకున్నాం కదా మనం డేటా టైప్స్ కి, 1 day లో అయిపోయింది. దట్స్ ఇట్. నిజంగా ఓన్లీ 1 day లో మొత్తం అన్ని డేటా అయిపోయింది. అసలు మొత్తం ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేషన్ అయిపోయింది ఓన్లీ విత్ ఇన్ 1 day.
సార్ ఇది ఆటో నెంబర్ కి రీడ్ ఓన్లీ ఫీల్డ్ అని చెప్పారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనం అలాగే వేరే ఫీల్డ్ కి కూడా అలా సెట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా సార్?
రీడ్ ఓన్లీ సెట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. అవి పర్మిషన్స్ అండ్ షేరింగ్స్ అండ్ పర్మిషన్స్ లో వస్తుంది, అప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను. సరేనా?
ఓకే.
హలో మోహన్, స్మాల్ డౌట్.
ఉంటవి మీరు కస్టమ్ గా రీడ్ ఓన్లీ పెట్టాలి, కొంతమంది యూజర్ల కంటే పెట్టచ్చు. రెండు పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా? అవి నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ కాబట్టి చూద్దాం, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు.
ఓకే.
Any other questions? Someone is asking questions, right?
Yeah,
quickly.
Mohan, small doubt.
Charging ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు తెలియదు మనకి, అందుకని త్వరగా.
Yeah, Mohan, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, for example ఒక రికార్డ్ కి VLR 001 అనే నెంబర్ ఆటో జనరేట్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, నేను అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఆ రికార్డ్ నేను రిమూవ్ చేశాను అనుకోండి, రిమూవ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ కొత్తది యాడ్ చేశాను.
ఓకే.
సేమ్ నెంబర్ జనరేట్ అవుద్దా లేకుంటే
లేదు
ఏ
ఇంకా అది
నెంబర్?
పోయినట్టే, అదంతా ఇంకా దాంతో సంబంధం ఉండదు. సో
ఓకే, కొత్త నెంబర్ జనరేట్ అవుద్ది.
కొత్త నెంబర్ వేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు 2 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 2 రికార్డ్స్ లో ఒక నెంబర్ లో VLR 01 ఉంది, ఒక రికార్డుకి, రెండో నెంబర్ కి VLR 02 ఉంది. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేశాను, ఈ రికార్డ్ డిలీట్ చేశాను. ఓకే, నౌ 1 రికార్డ్ ఉంది. నేను ఇప్పుడు కొత్త రికార్డ్ క్రియేట్, సో ఐ డిలీటెడ్ 1 రికార్డ్. ఓకే, and VLR 01 record I deleted with auto number, and I created a third record. Okay, now it is a new record. I can say it as a new record. And what will be the output? That is your question, right? VLR
03.
Okay.
Okay.
Increasing. Okay.
Yeah, and like that, if you have any question, right? So my best suggestion is you can apply it, try it in your answer. Any question, if you get it right while you are working, do it, test it. So it is free, right? And it won't charge anything, and you don't bother about this thing. Whatever happened it. Okay, but try and do and test, no problem, so that you get a clear picture and accept it. Whatever output you are getting, that you can accept it. That is called understanding. Okay, so understanding, you know, right, how some people are able to understand easily and some not, some people's not, you know. So like this one only, acceptancy, they don't have that acceptancy capability, so they will keep on thinking only one way, and they cannot think, oh, this behavior is like that. They should accept it, that behavior is like that. If they didn't accept it, they cannot understand other things, right? So that's what I'm saying, guys. It will help you. So while thinking as a thought process, it will help you. Any other questions?
Sir, one question, sir. While creating the pick list, మనం వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తుంటాం సార్, ఆ వాల్యూస్ ని గ్లోబల్ పిక్ లిస్ట్ లో ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు?
అది ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు మీకు, జనరల్ గా మనం దీనికే పోతాం. అది త్రూ ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది, ఫైల్ ద్వారా అప్లోడ్ చేసుకొని చేయాలన్నమాట. అది మీకు తర్వాత చెప్తాను, అది ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు.
ఓకే సార్.
యా, ఆర్ వి గుడ్? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. సో ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయింది, ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయింది